Hello, my name is Soledad Isern. I'm 23 years old and I'm from Mendoza. In my daily life, I study and I work. I'm studying psychology now. I'm finishing my first year, but I had studied law for 3 years before. And 5 years ago, I started to work in a leather shop called Alain de France. It is located in the pedestrian street in the downtown of Mendoza. It is a very touristical place, so it gives me the chance of practicing English dialect. I think I enjoy life in different ways. For example, I love nature. I don't have much free time, but each time I can, I go to the park and I have some mate with friends, or preferably I go to the mountain or to the river because I just love those landscapes. I also like to practice sports. As I said, I don't have much time now, but last year that I had changed my career, I used to go running around 4 times a week, and I even ran a marathon, what was a challenge for me. I think it is good to be involved in challenges because you can prove yourself, you can do something you used to think you could not. So in this way, I think this internship will be a challenge for me. I started studying English when I was 12 years old, and I was very persistent because I really appreciate the possibility of having a dialogue with persons from other parts of the world. And by the other way, because of my work, I have known lots of foreign people and lots of Brazilian people, and there is a situation. Although everybody says Portuguese is very simple, it's very similar to Spanish, I didn't catch so many ideas when Brazilian people talk to me in Portuguese. That's why 4 years ago I started studying Portuguese, and I just love Brazil. In lessons we used to learn about the festivals, the carnivals, the music, the lifestyle there. For the exams, it was usual we had to prepare a presentation talking about some city or some popular belief. I think it was in those times I started dreaming with the idea of living in Brazil. Well, in this special case, I want to take this professional internship because the English has been always important for me. I teach English to some children who need private lessons or even to friends when they need. Last year that I have more time because I had changed the career, I did the first certificate in English exam, so I have been always in contact with the language. And I think this is the opportunity to improve my English and also my patience, and to face a challenging situation that I know is going to change my mind and my professional development. And well, apart from the reason I just gave, I would like to share with Brazilian people how interesting is Argentinian culture and what a great opportunity is for them to come into my country to work, to study, or just for tourism. For the landscapes we have, and also for the kind of people they could find here. So well, I think that's it. Thank you for your time. Bye.